Whew, a little after 5 a.m. Torun's been amazing. I'll be back. But today, gotta go. Even better feeling, finally being back here. Finally being back here in Warsaw. It feels like I've been gone for like months. Yeah, it feels like I've been gone a long time. It hasn't really been that long, but it feels like it's been a long time. It's like seeing a familiar face. That's how it feels every time I come to Warsaw. You know, you've been gone in a new place, new people, everything, and then finally see a familiar face, like, oh, hey. And that's kind of what it's like being here every time I come back to Warsaw. You know, kind of one thing that I'm noticing after being kind of out of Warsaw lately and been in a lot of other cities is that Warsaw's such a it's a fast moving city, you know, when it comes to Poland. When I've been to a lot of the other small cities, Gdańsk, Gdynia, Sopot, Torun, and coming back here, I really see the speed difference. Seems like everyone here in Warsaw is just from point A to point B really fast. It's a fast moving city, and a lot of my Polish friends and people that I meet tell me that when I say, oh, I love Warsaw. And it wasn't until I've been to all the other places, like I've mentioned, even Poznan, for example, that I realized, yeah, this city moves like super, super fast. And I must say, it feels great to be back in Warsaw. It feels great to be back in Warsaw. It's like I have to come here to recharge. You know, I think when you guys are traveling, you gotta have that place where you go to, that you know, where you know people, that's familiar, where you feel like home. You know, when you're traveling in Europe, have that city. You know, before Warsaw was Barcelona. So when I was traveling, and let's say not get homesick, but I got like, you're just seeing too much. You're getting stimulated too much from too many different things, and you need something that you know, you need something that's familiar. I think it's really important, and that's why you don't burn out, you know, having that familiar thing. And for me, it's Warsaw. Happy to be back, but no idea. Have to meet some people, got a lot of things to do. We're just going to spin, and maybe spin until I just want to say it's so cool meeting you guys. Agnieszka, hello. I met your sister Olga. You should have been here, Agnieszka. You should have been here. Next time. Hope you like the Snapchat video. Okay, so just kind of went to like my fruit people here at this. Had to make one stop. I didn't want to go to Zloty Taras, but I think maybe it's a good place to end the vlog. I think I'm just gonna sit here, chill and relax, and just enjoy being back here in Warsaw before heading back to the Centrum. But it's been so great. So many of you guys who I've met, I think it's so funny. It's awesome being here. It's awesome being here, meeting you guys. I'm gonna stay here, enjoy the fruit. No idea what to do the rest of the day, but putting the camera away, gonna relax. Thank you guys so much for watching. Any questions you have, as soon as I post this video, I'm gonna stay in the questions. So I'm gonna stay in the comments for about 10 minutes after I post this video. So any questions you have, leave below. I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao. Was that a bad ending? No, that was okay. See you tomorrow.